A trucker is sentenced to 15 months in prison for trying to hide evidence after a deadly pileup in Pickaway County. He could serve even more time in connection with that crash. ABC 6's Terry Sullivan is live in our newsroom now with a story you'll see only on 6.
Tracy Ferrell admits he tore a page from his logbook following a deadly crash, and he repeatedly told the judge he didn't know why. The judge wasn't buying it.
State of Ohio, Tracy Ferrell.
Only ABC 6 was in a Pickaway County courtroom today when Tracy Ferrell tried to explain why he ripped out a page out of his logbook minutes after a deadly crash.
My logbook was good, so therefore, you know, like he said and I said, I don't know why I did it. I panicked right there at the moment. The situation was severe. It was a blur.
The judge didn't buy it and sentenced Ferrell, who was already on parole for drug and gun convictions, to 15 months in prison. The deadly crash on US 23 near Circleville happened back in September. 3 drivers were stopped at a light when Ferrell's semi slammed into them. Amy Schneider of South Bloomfield died at the scene. The 2 other drivers were injured. Ferrell escaped unharmed. Our camera captured him sitting on the ground nearby. An ABC 6 investigation into Ferrell's driving record found he shouldn't have been behind the wheel. A review of records revealed he shouldn't have even had his commercial driver's license because information on a previous reckless driving conviction in Pennsylvania wasn't filed with proper authorities. News that shocked Schneider's family at the time.
Just like somebody just punched me as hard as they could. And you just think, how could this guy be on the road?
According to the Pennsylvania police report we obtained, Ferrell was driving all over the roadway, even taking out a mailbox and light pole. He was charged with drunk driving, but was convicted and sentenced for reckless driving in June of last year. His CDL out of Michigan should have been suspended for a year, according to Michigan law. However, at the time of the deadly crash, Ferrell's CDL record didn't list the Pennsylvania convictions, meaning it was still in good standing. Ferrell will be back in court July 17th to face vehicular manslaughter charges. In the newsroom, Terry Sullivan, ABC 6 News.